There are three ways of manually entering irrigation data. Go to irrigation on the blue menu, and we have straight input edit, 10-day input, and a CSV upload. Each one has its own merits. Right now we want to use the input screen, and in fact it's the only one you want to use if you're setting up sites for the first time, because it's the only function that will allow you to define the start date that you want to start. So when you click on that button, the screen comes up. If you have nothing there yet, if it's the first entry, it'll tell you it's the first entry and it'll prompt you for a start date. Note that right now we're going to be entering data from the 15th of February onwards. If that's not the date you want, or you want to go back in time and work on a different time frame, click the edit date button right here, define the date that you want to be working on, and this input screen will start at that point again. When we look at it here, we see 10 days of history, today's date is green, and then 3 future dates. The top row here is the ETO from the weather station that we have defined. The second one is rain from that weather station, which will be copied to every block when we save this data. Then we look at the blocks individually. Note that we have an irrigation unit that we have selected for all the blocks, and they have to be the same for all of them. When you look a little further down, you'll see this particular block has a primary system, a drip system, and a secondary and micro. So you'll be prompted for both of those. And also you'll be prompted for daytime irrigation and also nighttime irrigation, since the efficiency of those will be different. And all of these numbers are used in calculating the water balance. So if you had on this stage, you applied a 2-hour set there, simply punch the number in there, and when we save this screen, it will be used in the calculations along with the other numbers. So if you have made any changes, right at the bottom of the screen here, click the save button, and all of these numbers will be used in our balance calculation.